What is Amazon Kinesis? Kinesis is a managed alternative to Apache Kafka, great for application logs, metrics, IoT, clickstreams, etc. Great for real-time big data. It is also great for streaming processing frameworks like Spark, NiFi, etc. Data is automatically replicated synchronously. So there are three parts in Kinesis. One is Kinesis Streams. It is a low latency streaming ingest at scale. Second is Kinesis Analytics. It performs real-time analytics on streams using SQL. Then there is Kinesis Firehose, which loads streams into S3, Redshift, Elasticsearch, Splunk, etc. services provided by AWS. Now, what happens is you have a clickstream or IoT device data or metrics and logs, etc. They are sent to Amazon Kinesis streams. Then Amazon Kinesis Analytics is used for doing analytics over this stream data. And then the data is dumped into one of the services by AWS like Redshift or S3, etc. using Kinesis Firehose. Streams are divided into ordered shards or partitions. So producers are there and consumers are there. Now what happens is producers produces the data and that stream is streamed to shards, and the consumers, they read from those shards. So data retention is 24 hours by default and it can go up to 7 days. There is ability to reprocess and replay the data. There are multiple applications that can consume the same stream. Real-time processing with scale of throughput is there, and once data is inserted in Kinesis, it cannot be deleted as there is immutability. Shards. So one stream is made of many different shards. Billing is per shard provisioned. It can have as many shards as you want. Batching available or per message calls. The number of shards can evolve over time. Resharding is there. Records are ordered per shard. Now what is a stream record? So there is a data blob and there is a record key. So data blob is the data that is being sent. It is serialized as bytes. Up to 1 MB can be sent and it can represent anything. And the record key is, it is sent alongside a record, helps to group records in shards. Same key means same shard. So the key that is used, it defines to what shard that data is going to be sent to. Use a highly distributed key to avoid the hot partition problem. Sequence number, unique identifier for each record's potent shards. It is added by Kinesis after ingestion of data. There are some limits that are there, like for producer, 1 MB or 1000 messages per second at write per shard is available. Provisioned throughput exception will be sent otherwise. Then consumers, there are two kinds of consumer. Consumer classic have 2 MBs at read per shard across all consumers, 5 API calls per second per shard across all consumers. Then there is enhanced fan out consumer. So 2 MBs at read per shard per enhanced consumer. No API calls are needed, push model is there. Then for data retention, 24 hours data retention is there by default and it can be extended to 7 days.